Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two intersecting diagonals inside this trapezoid ABCD, as you can see in this diagram, such that this segment AE is represented by 13x minus 44, and this segment EB is represented by x plus 4. And furthermore, this segment DE is 1, and this segment EC is represented by x minus 3. And now we are going to solve for x. In other words, we are going to find the value of x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. Before we proceed any further, let me go over the definition of trapezoid. This is also called trapezium, a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. As you can see in our diagram, A, B, and C, D are the parallel lines. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this diagonal BD. Now let's assume that this makes an angle alpha with this base CD. Then this angle is also going to be alpha, because these angles are our alternate angles. And likewise, let's assume that this angle is beta. Then this angle has got to be angle beta as well, since these angles are also our alternate angles. And moreover, let's focus on this angle and this angle. They are our vertical angles. So therefore, we conclude that this triangle AEB and this triangle CED are our similar triangles according to angle-angle similarity theorem. So therefore, we are going to have a proportion. Let's look at this ratio first. X minus 3 and 1. Let me go ahead and write it down. X minus 3 divided by 1 equals to the ratio of this 13x minus 44 and this x plus 4. Let me go ahead and write down 13x minus 44 all over x plus 4. Now let's go ahead and cross multiply. So therefore, we are going to have x minus 3 times x plus 4 equals to, on the right hand side, 13x minus 44. Now let's go ahead and do the double distribution. So therefore, this could be written as x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equal to, on the right hand side, 13x minus 44. Now let's go ahead and combine the like terms on the left hand side. Now let's go ahead and move everything on the left hand side. So therefore, this is going to become x squared plus x minus 12, and this is going to become negative 13x plus 44 equal to 0. Now let's go ahead and combine the like terms on the left hand side. So that is going to give us x squared minus 12x plus 32 equal to 0. And now we can see that this is our quadratic equation, and we are going to solve it by grouping and factoring. So therefore, let me focus on this middle term. Negative 12x could be written as negative 4x minus 8x. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this negative 12x by negative 4x minus 8x. And now we can see between first these two terms, x is in common, and between these last two terms, negative 8 is in common. So therefore, let me go ahead and factor out x over here. So we got x minus 4, and for this next one, I'm gonna factor out negative 8. So we got x minus 4 equal to 0. And now we can see x minus 4 and x minus 4 is in common. So therefore we can write this thing as x minus 4 times x minus 8 equal to 0. And we know that these two factors are equal to 0. Let me go ahead and separate them. So therefore this first factor x minus 4 equal to 0, and this other factor x minus 8 equal to 0. For this first equation, x minus 4 equal to 0 means x equals to positive 4. And for this next equation, x minus 8 equal to 0 is same as writing x equals to positive 8. So thus we got two solutions. The first one is x equal to positive 4 and the second one is x equals to positive 8. So thus our x values turns out to be 4 and 8. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.